Hubli Knights Roundtable 178 is more than just a table. It is an extended family for all of us. It has been a wonderful journey so far, being a part of this beautiful family. As I took over the mantle of chairmanship for HKRT 178 this year, there was a lot of expectation, more from within myself, as I had to meet the standards set by my predecessors. I had to be committed and passionate towards this movement as they were, because of which HKRT 178 have been performing well in all these years in all the facets of tabling. All we wanted this year was to develop infinite passion towards tabling and to develop great bonding with infinite friendship. All we wanted is to celebrate with this wonderful extended family. And as we came together in all these celebrations, we managed to touch all the facets in tabling. The year was great with some excellent fellowships starting from the AGM, continuing in the area AGM. I definitely feel we all as a team clicked when we hosted 10 Tanatan. Hosting this event was a major catalyst in developing the bonding amongst us.
Hi friends, congrats Tabler Mahindra and Team 178 for a wonderful tabling year. You guys have been rocking and have covered all the tabling facets. I have attended few socials of years and the moments to be cherished are 10 Tanatan, a area level cricket tournament which was enjoyed by the entire area, and of course the drawing competition Tare Zameen Par. My best wishes with Tabler Vijay and his incoming team. Cheers to friendship.
Outbound fellowship to Sri Lanka was also great fun. Having spent quality time with all the tablers was one of the most memorable moments for this year.
Hi friends, greetings to HKRT 178. Friends, today I would like to share that 178 has been a very close table to me. I have seen 178 very closely. I have never felt that I am a tabler from another table, and I would also like to share few moments which I have really cherished in 178. The closest of all fellowships was the outbound fellowship which 178 had, which I really witnessed it. 178 had been to Sri Lanka. Colombo was fantastic. I'll tell you guys, we really had a great time. It was a 4 days event. It was such a wonderful fellowship. We had so much of fun. I'll just tell you, like, it was around 8 hours what we might have slept in total out of the 4 days. We really enjoyed. We got really close. We got to know all the tablers very well. So fantastic time we had. And also let me tell you, 178 is as a table a fantastic family, and I really is very proud about that.
Tare Zameen Par was also a very special event. With more than 1200 kids participating, organizing the same was a tough task. But with the help of the entire team of 178 and City Tablers of Hubli, we were able to organize it successfully and make it a grand event.
Hi folks, I take the opportunity to congratulate Mahindra Yadav and Team 178 for a wonderful year gone by. Amazing benchmarks have been set. Team 178 has come close and formed a wonderful bond to take Roundtable India to greater heights. It has produced national leaders, area leaders, and looking forward, they're going to have a great year ahead with Vijay Mane taking over as the new chairman for the year. I'd really like to mention about the Tare Zameen Par that 178 had last year. It was a fantabulous experience. From getting children, almost more than 1,000 children, to pick them up from their locations in autos and arranging refreshments for them, giving them drawing boards which they could use in exams, crayons, pencil, papers, had a drawing competition at one location for so many children. An amazing experience. This was the largest Tare Zameen Par that was held in Round Table India last year, and definitely they won the award as well for that for last year already. Congratulations again for the wonderful year, and my best wishes for Vijay Mane to take 178 to much greater heights.
Hospet Round Table was a long-standing dream which became reality this year with the help of our tabling friends from Bellary. For me personally, chartering of Hospet Round Table was one of the most satisfying events this year, as we welcome new friends into this wonderful world of tabling.
Hello friends, the toughest part of tabling is extending a table in a new tabling center, and that 250 kilometers away from Hubli. Well, yes, and it's really a privilege and proud that yes, we did achieve it at Hospet, and it was tried I think 10 years back, and then again it's last 2 years 178 took it up, and somehow we tried, and this year we did it. And yes, this couldn't have been possible without this man called Punit Yadav. He made our life miserable till we went there and chartered a new table, and he coordinated with our co-sponsor, that is 152, excellently. And hats off, Punit, you have driven us to a new level, and yes, we are very proud of you as a leader. I look at you as a future president of Round Table India. Keep going, my friend.
I am very happy that tablers from HKRT 178 have been recognized at area and national level. As I end this year, I would like to thank my tablers for giving me the privilege of serving this table as a chairman. The entire year has been a learning experience. I will always remember this experience with great fondness. Thank you friends, thank you very much for your support.